Y'all, welcome back to Ted's Reaction. Scarlett Faye again. Atwj live. Let's go. I don't know what that means.
Rolling.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
You think we can change the world? I say, can't we end it? Everyone's asking, how'd we get here? Baby, this is where we started.
Woo! She said, everybody's saying, how we get here? This is where we started. We done been like this from the get-go. Woo! Let's go.
This is where we started. If I'd been given the chance to choose, stood with him at the precipice, there's no way in hell I'd say, draw me off at earth since he went into the garden. The moon was lost to see him, and I'd been mean to call him, but yeah, you know how it is. Sounds of silence as we all begin to see. It's so
Hold on.
far.
That was a double. Sounds of silence as we begin to see. Woo! I'm one of those guys where if I can't see when I'm driving, I turn the radio down. You know what I'm saying? That don't do nothing, but you know, let's go.
As we all begin to see, it's so violent. We don't practice what we preach.
Ooh.
Nothing's ever what you think it is. Nothing's ever what it seems.
Oh, I like how this instrumental's coming in right now. He's saying nothing's as it seems. We don't practice what we preach. Y'all gotta hear how this come in. Oh, woo! There it is. Look at that. Go ahead. Go ahead. Woo! She moving like Mother Nature right now. Just the harmonies, it look like she's summoning birds and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Ooh. Hey, hey.
And the world just and the world just swallows me and the world just
And she's saying the world just, but it's like she's just, you know, it's like she's bringing it all together. Remember in the beginning it said, wish we could save the world. Why can't we just end it? Like, let's just, man, I love this right now. Let's do it.
and the world just said the world just swallows me
Ooh. Go ahead, Scarlett.
and the world just
Woo.
swallows me
I'm moving with you right now. I'm moving with you. You know what I'm saying? I love that little split screen thing. Bring me into the video. Come on. damn. Was that part of the video or bro just came out of nowhere? Oh no, that was hilarious. Like that, imagine the whole video being sentimental and somebody come in and sneeze or something. Like, damn, come on now. Let's go. Change the whole dynamic.
Shit out of me.
Oh, that was crazy. I would have been like, dang, bro, you might as well say hi to the camera. What y'all thinking, man? Let's go. Them harmonies is so damn beautiful, man. What's up? Scarlett, what's happening? That was crazy.